Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to check your current RAM usage on your Mac.
It's super simple.
First thing we need to do is open Spotlight.
Juste presse commande plus spacebar.
Then, type in Activity Monitor, and open the app. Once it's opened, it'll look something like this. It shows you all sorts of system resources and how much they're using. But we're interested in RAM, so click on the Memory tab at the top. Here you'll see a list of all the applications that are using RAM and how much. But to see the total memory used, look down at the bottom. You'll see Physical Memory, which is how much RAM you have installed. Right underneath that, it says Memory Used, and that's how much you're currently using in real time. In my case, I'm using 12.2 gigabytes of RAM right now. So that's how you do it.
Pretty easy, right?
If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. Thanks for watching.